Okay, everybody, here we go. It's me, Gregory Mannarino, Monday, June 16th, 2025, pre-market report. People, I just put something together. It's in your inbox right now, this piece of work. With this, what I have done is outline what's happening. We already know, man. We've covered this over and over again. What is going to happen moving forward and how to position yourself from a financial standpoint. I want to stick to that with this piece of work again in your inbox right now if you subscribe to my newsletter, link in the description of this video. So let's just get right to it. So the reality we face, how to position yourself financially. So Lions, I have created a breakdown of the reality being forced upon us and the right action to take based on my own opinion. Now, you guys and girls are free to have your own opinion as well. This is mine. This may not work for everyone, but it's pretty much on point. So let's do it. So expect escalating war. People, we've covered this time and time again. We knew this would not stop. It's just not going to. This is the mechanism in place right now to allow the entire system to inflate, to allow central banks to gain power over all of us. And what are we doing about it? I don't know. You let me know. At least we're trying here to raise awareness. So expect escalating war. Middle East volatility, Iran, Israel, this is systemic. It's not isolated. It may trigger oil checkpoints, inflation, of course. We're already seeing this. And further dollar weakness. Expect that to a massive degree. Military industrial complex will profit and we the people will pay. Artificially suppressed rates. The Fed in direct collusion with Trump/Vance, who are now both calling for lower rates and a weaker dollar, will fake the data just enough to justify a weaker dollar via a series of rate cuts. Does that sound about right to you? Rate suppression is the tool which will continue to suck wealth right out of the economy itself and, of course, the middle class. It's a controlled demolition. What the Fed, Trump, nor Vance will tell you. A weaker dollar reduces consumer purchasing power and therefore hurts consumption. This in turn hits factories and manufacturing. People consume less, so factories produce less. Sound about right? This leads to a further breakdown and decline of U.S. factory and manufacturing activity, which leads to more layoffs and a further ripple effect throughout the entire economy. The United States of America is being destroyed from within the core. Once you guys and girls wake up to that, you're going to have a whole better outlook on things. Until that point, you're going to be lost. You're not going to know what's going on. Dollar devaluation plus inflation, obviously, further inflation, continued stealth debasement of the currency is a certainty. Every new crisis will be met with liquidity injections, just like we're seeing now. Inflation equal hidden tax on the middle class. All right. Supply chain disruptions. This new war, or even perhaps another false flag, expect it, can potentially reignite scam-demic style shortages. Strategic goods, food, energy, medicine, components are all at risk, people. Lions, inventory up, meaning start to gather goods that are non-perishable. This is not hoarding, but sovereign provisioning. Expect higher energy costs. Geopolitical chaos plus reduced refining investment equal rising oil and gas prices. This drives inflation across the board. Everything, food, transport materials. Over 6,000 products are made with crude oil. How to position financially. Expect vast debt expansion and further dollar debasement on the back of artificially suppressed rates. With that, the overall outlook for the stock market is therefore cautiously bullish with major volatility risk. Bear with me here. The breakdown. Big tech and defense may continue to benefit short-term war contracts, AI hype, you know the deal. However, if energy spikes or inflation begins to rage, which it will, equities can get crushed. And I will repeat, the stock market can get crushed. You must understand risk. Actions. Short-term Short duration tactical trades, options trades, for example, on energy. Now, I put up daily trades for you every single day right on my website. Over an 80% success rate. Think of what I just said to you, an 80%. Over 80%. It's actually about 82 right now. Now, I put a link right here. You can click on that link. It'll take you right to my website where all my trades are, my breakdowns of everything. I do a breakdown of the market. I do a breakdown of crude oil, a breakdown of gold, Bitcoin, XRP, or you can click on the link in the description of this video. I got your back. Now, if you are looking to invest long-term in the stock market and understand the risk, look at defensive sectors, energy, materials, utilities. It's always the same. Now, gold and silver, physical outlook. People, these are sacred, long-term bullish, not just a hedge, a weapon of financial independence. Does that sound right to you? Central banks are buying at a record pace. Now ask yourself why. So lions keep stacking. Now, cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, XRP, etc. Outlook, speculative assets. However, they're a hedge against fiat collapse, a warning. Crypto is a tool. Expect extreme volatility. Does that sound right to you, my lions? I hope so. So, again, this is in your inbox right now. Please read through this, share it, and add. Okay, I don't know everything. I don't even pretend to. I know nothing. This is our thing, people. So let's stay together. Let's walk strong. And again, this is for us. But I urge you to please share this stuff, get it out there. The more people that we can get through to, the more people we can help, the better off we're all going to be. Does that sound about right to you, or is Greg really just freaking out there? Now, I know what I said here with regard to Trump and Vance is going to upset some people, but what did I say wrong? President Trump and Vance, whatever the freak his first name is, I don't even care. They're not even human. They're things working with the Federal Reserve to destroy, again, the dollar. Trump at least has the guts to say it. He keeps saying, I want a weaker dollar, a weaker dollar. A weaker dollar doesn't help you. A weaker dollar is a mechanism of destruction for the economy and the middle class. Artificially suppressed rates, vast debt expansion. That's where we're going here. It's controlled demolition on a massive scale. Now, I'm not saying anything that isn't true. If this offends you or if you are triggered, there's something else going on in your head, and you need to figure it out. Now, guys, that's kind of where we're at right now. I want you to think about these things as we always do. All right. I love you guys from the heart with all I got. I will see you guys later, 4 or 5 p.m. Eastern for the live stream. I really hope to see you there. And with that said, people, that's all.